Yo, what's up, guys? This is International O back at it once again. Like, subscribe button, gotta hit it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Please hit that button for me. Goes a long way. Greatly appreciate it. Two things. One thing, I did the video on the studio equipment. I guess too many people didn't like it. That video, the views counts didn't do much because I knew it wasn't a sneaker. So I guess that wasn't, some people didn't like it, and I actually had lost a subscriber. But I mean, for me, it was, you never know what people are into aside from sneakers. You might do podcasting, might do music. So I was kind of doing that for those who do, and if they don't, fine. I get it, understood. Back to what we're here for today. I got this sneaker shipped, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? It was a shoe that I felt was slept on, and it sold pretty well in stores from what I saw, but it just really didn't seem like Nike gave an effort or a push or a story behind it. It was like the shoe picture surfaced and then it just came out. You know what I'm saying? I don't even remember seeing it on sneakers. I don't even think it came out on sneakers, but again, dope shoe. They know with this type of pattern people would fall, for this shoe. Threw me off completely. They did nothing to promote it, but here it is, the Nike Air Max 90 Supernova. I call it the Galaxy. I mean, why would you not? If you see the print on here, has the Galaxy print all around the shoe. Then as you can see where the check is, it has that chrome on here and on the tongue. Overall dope shoe. The black laces have tips, like an infrared tip on here on the shoe, as well as here at the eyelets where the shoe laces go. It has that same hot pink infraredish color. Got the Nike Air on the back. Then we have the green glow here at the bottom towards the shoe, and here on the sole of the shoe back where the bubble is. And here at the air pocket, I'm sorry, we have that infrared, that hot pinkish color right here where the air pocket is as well. This shoe, how much does this shoe retail? This shoe retails for $130. So it's a pretty good value for that shoe, for $130. And then on here, if you may not be able to see it, I'm gonna try to put it up to the camera, but it has kind of like a stingray print here. If you guys can see the little dots on it, I'm not sure if you can, but it's almost like a stingray, the stingray print or something, man. But it's all over here too, at the bottom of the shoe, midsole here, all around the shoe. You see kind of like the stingray print a little bit, the dots on there. I mean, this is dope. This is, what can I call it? This is intergalactic dopeness at its finest. Intergalactic dopeness. So you got to say it with me. These joints are hard. I know I haven't said that in a minute. I've been slacking because I've got some dope shoes. Oh, and then on this insole, it kind of has like it has a Nike check, but it kind of had like a circle, kind of like a universe or something, if you can see that in there. Overall dope shoe, man. I can't complain about this shoe. So you know what I got to do after I show it to you here. Got to take it to the feet. So that's next, and let's get to the feet.
Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Bet it all on the bag, but I lost friends. When I went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Got a whole lot of bags, but I lost friends. When I went from box Chevy to a box Benz.
Get bread with your day one, from the bottom to the top. Hustling go getters on the grind non-stop. Can't lose, can't fail. No, we got it in 24/7, man. We tryna win. When we ain't have shit, we hustle just to get up on feet. Seem like making the band was way far out of reach. plot, plan, execute, and got right to the money. Now I'm looking at my partner real funny. I'm seeing why I'm caught up counting bread. You just caught up in the hype. Capping on IG, nigga caught up in the lights. Sitting up on your ass, I done booked another flight. And now you getting salty cause my money looking right. See, the plan off the rip was to get cash with ya. Now I'm in go mode, bout to move past nigga. Ask niggas by fame, they don't know about grind. Made ends, lost friends, leaving niggas behind.
Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Bet it all on the bag, but I lost friends. When I went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a box Benz. Went from box Chevy to a...
Oh yeah, before I go, here's just my little bootleg studio setup that I did in here. I had moved stuff around a little bit. Got my shoe bins over here. Got my interface, laptop. Put this cover up and I had this up, and you go in here and hit the booth. I got something to use for the padding. I just put that up temporarily, but I got something now to put up behind that. But yeah, this is my little bootleg studio. So it actually worked. I knocked out a couple songs. It came out pretty good.